Hello everyone, you are highly welcome to my channel. This is Ruth. In this video I'm going to show you how I wash and seasoned my frozen chicken. First, how I wash to remove frozen taste and frozen smell, and then how I seasoned and prepare my chicken to get that yummy and delicious chicken you always long for. So keep watching, don't go away. And if you're new, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. Please stay connected. More videos are updated every week. Alright, so the first thing I do to the chicken is to get a clean bowl. Then add my chicken inside the bowl, transfer my chicken inside the bowl, and then start to wash the chicken. Don't go away. I will tell you exactly what I do to get rid of frozen smell and frozen taste after I wash the chicken. So I've done with the first wash. This is the second round wash. I'm going to wash this chicken very well. Then after I wash the chicken, the number one thing I do is to get a warm water, not too hot, not too cold water. Pour it inside a clean bowl. Add a tablespoonful of lemon juice. You can use more than 1 tablespoon depending on the quantity of chicken you want to wash. So after I add it, I transfer the chicken inside the warm and lemon juice water, then cover it, allow it to soak for 10 minutes, and that is exactly what you see right now. So what is in there is lemon juice and a warm water. So I use 1 tablespoonful of lemon juice because of the quantity of chicken I want to wash. And then after 10 minutes, I throw away the water. I get rid of that water, and then at this point that frozen smell goes out. So after I get rid of the lemon and warm water, I will rinse it twice. Then after that, I'm going to season it. Please don't go away. Continue to watch and see how I season this frozen chicken to get that tasty and yummy chicken you always long for, everyone. Don't forget to thumbs up for me. It helps a lot. So it's always good to wash our chicken very well, because when it stays in the refrigerator or we buy it from the market, it stays long in the refrigerator, plus the chemical used to preserve it. So when we wash it with lemon or warm water, we get rid of that frozen taste, and that is why I made this video, to tell you how I prepare my. So if you don't give it a very good wash, it will just have that frozen smell and taste. It won't go away. Even no matter how hard you try to season it, if you don't give it proper wash, it still tastes like you didn't use any season, you didn't add any spice. So that is why I always use lemon, and I always add lemon inside the warm water, allow it to soak so that the smell. Try it and give me your feedback. The moment you cover your chicken for 10 minutes inside lemon warm water, and then when you open it after 10 minutes, you realize what I'm talking about. So to season it, I have fresh ginger, I have fresh chopped onions, I have curry powder, I have seasoning, salt to taste, I have lots of fresh garlic, I have scotch bonnet pepper, I have dry parsley and thyme. I'm going to blend scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, ginger and onions together. So don't go away. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. Please stay connected. Thumbs up for me, and don't forget to comment and share my video if you can. So to season the chicken, I also chopped onions, and then add the chopped onions, add enough thyme, add curry powder, then I add dry parsley. Parsley gives a very nice taste to your chicken, and then that is my parsley I just added right now. Then also add salt to taste. Of course, we always add salt to our chicken, whatever we're cooking, to give it that taste. Then I'll add seasoning to taste. Then after adding all of this together, the seasoning, the thyme, the chopped onions, the parsley, the next thing I'm going to do is to add the blended mixture, which are scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, ginger, and onions. I will add it together, then take a desirable spoon of desirable stick, stir it to combine, mix it properly until the spices gets through all the chicken. Mix until everything gets through the chicken. And after doing this, I'm going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator. Remember, I put it in a pot, so I'm going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. When you do this, it allows the spice to sink very well inside your chicken, and that will give it that tasty chicken you are looking for. So that's how I get rid of frozen smell and frozen taste for my chicken. To see how I prepare chicken with pepper, exactly what you see on the screen, click the first link down below. Stay safe, stay connected. Bye for now.